Hey everyone, it's Linus. Today we're diving into the world of crypto mining. It might sound complicated, but trust me, it's not as intimidating as it seems. In fact, some people are making a killing mining crypto right from their homes. Imagine earning thousands of dollars without even leaving your desk. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around because I'm going to break down exactly how crypto mining works and how you can get started too. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what crypto mining is, the tools you need, and how to set up your own mining operation. Whether you're a complete beginner or just curious about the world of cryptocurrency, this guide has got you covered. We'll walk through everything step by step so you can follow along and start your crypto mining journey with confidence. So, if you're ready to uncover the secrets of crypto mining and potentially unlock a new stream of income, grab your pickaxe, figuratively of course, and let's dig in. Remember, the world of crypto is constantly evolving and knowledge is power. Let's get started. I'm Linus from Linus Tech Tips. Did you know I'm fascinated by cryptocurrency? Crypto and blockchain technology are the real deal. They can revolutionize money and finance. I dove into crypto mining to understand it all. Now, I'm here to share that journey with you. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of mining, let's take a step back and understand what makes it all possible. The blockchain. Think of the blockchain as a giant decentralized ledger that keeps track of every single cryptocurrency transaction. It's like a public record that anyone can access, but no one can tamper with. Now here's where mining comes in. Miners are like the auditors of this blockchain ledger. They use their computers to verify and add new transactions to the blockchain. It's a complex process involving cryptography and computational power, but in simple terms, it's like solving a complex mathematical puzzle. And just like solving a tough puzzle earns you bragging rights, mining earns you rewards in the form of cryptocurrency. That's right, miners get paid in the same digital currency they're helping to secure. It's a brilliant system of incentives that keeps the blockchain running smoothly and securely. But how exactly do you get in on this mining action? Well, that's what we're going to cover next. Alright, let's break down exactly what crypto mining is. Imagine a massive digital gold rush, but instead of pickaxes and shovels, we're using computers to unearth digital treasures. In essence, that's what crypto mining is all about. You see, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin aren't controlled by banks or governments. They operate on a decentralized network called a blockchain. Think of the blockchain as a public ledger where every transaction is recorded. Miners are like the bookkeepers of this ledger, verifying and adding new transactions to the blockchain. But here's the catch. Verifying these transactions requires some serious computing power. Miners compete to solve complex mathematical problems, and the first one to crack the code gets to add the next block of transactions to the blockchain. This process is what we call mining. And just like in a real gold rush, the successful miner gets rewarded. These rewards come in the form of cryptocurrency. So the more you mine, the more crypto you can potentially earn. But it's not just about the money. Miners also play a vital role in securing and maintaining the entire cryptocurrency network. The mining equation: hardware, software, wallet. For crypto mining, you need three essentials: hardware, software, and a wallet. Hardware includes powerful GPUs or ASICs for heavy calculations. Software connects your hardware to the blockchain, and a secure wallet stores your mined cryptocurrency. Going solo or joining the pool? Now that you understand the basics of crypto mining, let's talk strategy. You could go solo, keeping all rewards but needing high-end hardware. Or join a pool, sharing computing power and rewards. Pool mining is beginner-friendly and lowers entry barriers, plus you can learn from experienced miners. Setting up your mining operation. Ready to set up your mining rig? Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Step 1. Choose your hardware. Decide between a GPU or an ASIC miner. Step 2. Download and install mining software. Step 3. Join a mining pool. Step 4. Configure your mining settings. Most mining software and pools provide detailed instructions to guide you. Alright, we've covered the basics of mining, but where do you store the precious cryptocurrency you earn? That's where crypto wallets come in. Think of them as your digital vaults, safeguarding your digital gold. There are various types of wallets, each with its own security features and functionalities. You've got software wallets that live on your computer or smartphone, offering ease of access for everyday transactions. Then there are hardware wallets, physical devices specifically designed for storing your crypto offline, providing an extra layer of security against hacking attempts. Choosing the right wallet depends on your needs and risk tolerance. If you're just starting and dealing with smaller amounts, a software wallet might suffice. However, for storing larger amounts, or if you're extra security conscious, a hardware wallet is the way to go. Remember, your wallet is the key to your crypto kingdom. Treat it with the utmost care, keep your private keys safe and sound, and never share them with anyone. Security is paramount in the crypto world, and protecting your wallet is job number one. Now that you have a secure place to store your crypto, let's talk about the brains behind your mining software. This is the command center of your rig, connecting your hardware to the blockchain and allowing you to control your mining activities. Popular choices include CG Miner for advanced settings, NiceHash for ease of use, and Easy Miner for beginners. Consider your experience, hardware, and the cryptocurrency you want to mine. Most software has documentation and forums for help. Explore options to maximize your mining efficiency. Let's talk about the workhorse of your mining operation, the hardware. This is where the real mining magic happens. You have two main options, GPUs and ASICs. GPUs are versatile and can handle demanding computations. They offer a lower barrier to entry. ASICs are specifically designed for mining. They deliver higher hash rates. This means faster puzzle solving and more rewards. However, ASICs are more expensive and less versatile. The choice depends on your budget and goals. GPUs are affordable and flexible, while ASICs offer superior performance. So your hardware, software, and wallet are ready to go. Now the big question is, how are you going to approach this whole mining thing? One option is to go solo, like a lone wolf in the wild west of crypto. Solo mining means you're in it alone, competing against the entire network. It's like panning for gold by yourself. You keep all the nuggets you find. The biggest advantage of solo mining is the potential for massive rewards. If you solve a block, you keep the entire block reward. However, the chances of solo mining a block are extremely slim. Think of it like winning the lottery. It's possible, but unlikely. Solo mining requires significant investment in high-end hardware. It's not for the faint of heart or beginners. Now, if the thought of going solo sounds a bit daunting, don't worry. There's a more social and beginner-friendly approach: pool mining. It's like joining a mining cooperative, where you team up with other miners from around the world to combine your computing power. Think of it like this. Instead of each person trying to dig a well on their own, you all chip in and dig a much larger well together. The chances of striking water are significantly higher, and everyone gets to share the rewards based on their contribution. In pool mining, the block rewards are shared among all the participants based on their hash rate contribution. This means you get a steady stream of smaller payouts, making it a more predictable and less volatile option compared to solo mining. Pool mining offers a lower barrier to entry and reduces the risk associated with the unpredictable nature of mining. It's a great way for beginners to get their feet wet, learn from experienced miners, and start earning cryptocurrency without having to invest in a massive mining rig. Now let's say you're intrigued by crypto mining but not quite ready to invest in expensive hardware, or deal with the technicalities of setting up your own rig. Well, that's where cloud mining comes in. Cloud mining is like renting an apartment instead of buying a house. You're essentially paying a third-party provider for access to their mining hardware and infrastructure. They handle all the technical stuff, and you get a share of the profits based on your investment. It's a more hands-off approach that eliminates the need for hardware investment, electricity costs, and technical know-how. However, cloud mining comes with its own set of risks and considerations. The profitability of cloud mining depends heavily on the provider's fees, the cryptocurrency's market price, and the overall hash rate of the network. It's essential to do your research and choose a reputable cloud mining provider with transparent pricing, a proven track record, and positive user reviews. Be wary of scams and unrealistic promises of overnight riches. Cloud mining can be a viable option for some, but it's crucial to go in with your eyes wide open. You've decided to dip your toes into the exciting crypto mining world. The first step? Gearing up. Choosing your mining hardware is like selecting the right tools for a job. The two main contenders are GPUs, graphics processing units, and ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits. GPUs are versatile, handling both gaming and mining, while ASICs are purpose-built for mining with superior processing power. GPUs offer a more affordable entry point, while ASICs are for serious miners seeking maximum hash rate and potential profits. Consider your budget, the cryptocurrency you're targeting, and your long-term mining goals to make the best choice. With your mining hardware ready, it's time to install the brains of the operation mining software. This software connects your hardware to the blockchain and gives you control over your mining activities. There are plenty of mining software options available, each with its own strengths. CG Miner is known for its advanced customization, Nice Hash provides a user-friendly experience, and Easy Miner is perfect for beginners. Choosing the right software depends on your experience level, the type of hardware you have, and the cryptocurrency you're aiming to mine. You've got your hardware and software set up, but before you hit that start mining button, let's talk strategy. Joining a mining pool means combining your computing power with other miners to solve blocks faster and earn more consistent rewards. These rewards are distributed among the pool members according to the amount of processing power they contribute. There are numerous mining pools out there, each with its own fee structure, payout methods, and community vibe. Do your research, compare different pools, and choose one that aligns with your preferences and mining goals. You've assembled your mining rig, chosen your software, and joined a pool. The final step is to configure your mining rig for optimal performance. This involves selecting the cryptocurrency you want to mine, setting your energy efficiency preferences, and tweaking your mining software settings. Experiment with different settings and monitor your rig's performance to find the sweet spot between hash rate, power consumption, and heat generation. A well-configured mining rig can make a significant difference in your profitability and longevity. Crypto mining generates a lot of heat. Proper ventilation is key. Ensure your mining rig has adequate airflow. Use fans to circulate air, place your rig in a cool spot, or invest in a dedicated mining case. Monitor your hardware's temperature in real time. Adjust your fan speeds, improve ventilation, or reduce overclocking settings to lower the heat output. Mining crypto requires a considerable amount of power, and those electricity bills can quickly eat into your profits. Research your local electricity rates and factor those costs into your mining calculations. Consider investing in energy-efficient hardware. Newer generations of GPUs and ASICs are designed to be more power efficient, delivering a higher hash rate per watt of power consumed. Explore alternative energy sources like solar panels to power your mining operation. As more miners join the network, the competition for block rewards heats up. One strategy is to focus on altcoins with lower mining difficulty and less competition. Another approach is to join a mining pool to increase your chances of solving blocks and earning rewards. Stay informed about upcoming halving events, which can significantly impact mining profitability. Factor these events into your long-term mining strategy. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. Stay updated on industry news and trends. Follow reputable crypto news sources, join online forums, and engage in discussions. Don't be afraid to experiment and diversify your mining portfolio. Continuously educate yourself about crypto mining, blockchain technology, and market dynamics. Your crypto wallet is your digital Fort Knox, safeguarding your hard-earned digital assets. Choose a reputable wallet provider and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Never share your private keys with anyone. Legitimate services will never ask for your private keys. If you come across any website or individual requesting your private keys, it's a red flag. Run in the opposite direction. The world of crypto attracts its fair share of shady characters and scams. Be aware of cloud mining schemes that promise unrealistic returns. Always do your due diligence before handing over any money to a cloud mining provider. Be cautious of phishing scams and Ponzi schemes disguised as mining opportunities. Sustainable profits in crypto mining come from actual mining activity, not from recruiting others into a pyramid scheme. By adopting some simple yet effective security practices, you can significantly reduce your risk and mine with confidence. Educate yourself about common scams and security threats. Keep your software and operating system up to date. Use strong, unique passwords for all your crypto-related accounts. Consider using a password manager to generate and store your passwords securely. Even with the most robust security measures in place, it's essential to stay vigilant. Regularly monitor your mining activity and wallet transactions. Be wary of unsolicited offers or investment advice. The crypto world is constantly evolving, and new threats can emerge at any time. Don't be afraid to ask for help or advice from experienced crypto enthusiasts or security professionals. Well, folks, we've covered a lot of ground today, haven't we? From the basics of blockchain to setting up your own mining rig, we've explored the ins and outs of crypto mining. You've learned that crypto mining isn't just about making a quick buck, it's about participating in a revolutionary technology. Each approach has its own set of advantages and challenges. Crypto mining is an accessible and rewarding endeavor for anyone willing to put in the time and effort to learn the ropes. The learning never stops in crypto mining. The landscape is constantly evolving with new technologies and trends. To stay ahead, check the resources in the video description. Knowledge is power in the fast-paced world of crypto. Stay curious, keep learning, and embrace the challenge. So you've reached the end of this crypto mining crash course. Feeling pumped? Ready to start building your own digital mining empire? I hope so. But before you dive headfirst into the world of hash rates and block rewards, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on crypto mining? What cryptocurrencies are you most excited to mine? What are your biggest concerns or questions about getting started? Drop a comment below, and let's get the conversation going. I love hearing from you guys, and who knows, maybe your question will inspire a future video. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. The crypto community is vast, diverse, and incredibly supportive. We're all in this together, learning, experimenting, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with this revolutionary technology. So, don't be shy. Share your thoughts, ask your questions, and connect with other crypto enthusiasts in the comments below. Let's build a community of knowledge, support, and shared success in the exciting world of crypto mining. As we wrap up this crypto mining adventure, I want to leave you with one final thought. The journey doesn't end here. In fact, it's just the beginning. The world of crypto is constantly evolving, with new challenges and opportunities emerging all the time. In our next video, we'll be diving deeper into the world of crypto mining, exploring advanced techniques for maximizing your profits, optimizing your rig for peak performance, and navigating the ever-changing landscape of cryptocurrencies. But for now, I encourage you to take what you've learned today, do your own research, and start experimenting. The best way to learn is by doing, so jump in, get your hands dirty, and don't be afraid to make mistakes along the way. That's how we all learn and grow. And hey, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next crypto mining adventure. Until then, keep the crypto spirit alive, keep exploring, and keep on mining.